we can break up a floor plan. If you have multiple floor plans on one image or one map, whatever you want to call it, how can you break that down? So here we have 3 on 1 and it's sideways. So what we're going to do is just go to the ellipsis, the 3 buttons here. We'll go to crop and rotate, and we'll just rotate this image to get it the right way. Once we have that set, we can then scale this to something a little bit smaller. All right, perfect. That gives us our 3 maps. Confirm. And then once we have this set here, what we'll do is then we'll go ahead and duplicate this map. We've got 3 floors, so we can make 3 duplications. And from there, we can actually rename these if we need to. We can make this guy, let me turn off imagery there. And we'll just say 1. The next one, we'll call it 2. And the last one, of course, will be number 3. All right, perfect. So once we have that set, we'll want to make sure, before we get into that, let's go ahead and crop these down a little bit more. So if this is going to be number 3, and I know it's going to say second floor here, but we'll just go ahead and resize it, and we'll call this 3rd floor. So that's now set. And then once we do that, we'll also want to make sure that the scale is right. So we can zoom in here. You see 0.90, so and this is in meters, so we'll just say 0.9, and our floor plan is now scaled and set. And we'll just repeat the steps for the other floors that we have here. So if we have a number 2, we'll go back to crop and rotate. Get that sizing just right. Awesome. And repeat the steps for scaling. And that's how you scale, rotate, crop, and arrange multiple floors that are on one floor plan.